Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can kind of like reduce your TikTok storage on your iPhone. So go and just delete your drafts if you have a lot of that. So just like drafts here and delete it. I can't open up my drafts right now, but you're just going to do that first. Select the three lines and then go to settings and privacy, and then you are going to scroll down to go to free up space. Then you're going to select clear on cache, and you can also clear download here as well. So select clear. So it includes effects, filter, stickers, and virtual gifts downloaded in your app. You'll be able to download them again if you need them. So it does clear I think the effects that you've like saved. You can also go to your activity center, and I think you can delete your watch history. I'm not sure, but you're going to basically select your watch history or select all watch history here and press delete, and it's going to basically free up more space on TikTok. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!